Yo guys, welcome to the second video on my channel, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a bike tour of my bike, Carrera Valour. Do you like, drop a like, and yeah, I'll show you why. Alright, so starting off with the seat, I have a Mafia seat. This is the blue suede one. These are about £20 off the Mafia website. I recommend getting one, they're really comfy and they're better than Carrera, so I gave my Carrera seat to my mate, Charlie. So yeah, Mafia seat's an essential. I have ODI grips, best grips you can get. I have these in the black, so they actually match my bike. So yeah, I'd recommend these. So I've got Waggle pedals even, so these come with the bike standard. Shimano cranks come with the bike standard. What else do we have? Quick release wheels, Sentinel thingy-mabobbies, forks, Shimano V-brakes that have pads. So yeah, Shimano V-brakes have pads. What else do I have? Kendrick wheels. They're alright. I mean, they wear out pretty quickly, but they're alright. Carrera bars, Shimano thingamabob, high and low, ODIs like I said. Top cap, I think this is Carrera standard. Standard Carrera, seat holder thingamabob. Standard things. What else do I have? Tektro suspension or something like that, or brake things, I don't know what it is. And that, you can barely see it. Waggle pedals, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, recommend this bike, Carrera Valour, really good. And yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, please drop a like, subscribe, and yeah, catch you in the next one. Peace out.
The Beats Hub.
CD,
The Beats Hub. The Beats Hub.
Tom makes beats.